I just watched Jason Knowles the flat pack. You see the flat pack? Flat pack? What? Super amazing.
Imagine being able to walk over to a group of spectators with nothing more than a wallet in your hand, and inside your wallet is where you keep your deck of playing cards.
It doesn't weigh much, right? It can't be anything big inside. It's basically, this is a way for us to save space. Because normally it wouldn't fit there, but the coolest part about this is the 52, can I see your hand?
No.
The 52 parts inside. You can just shake like this, and it should go back. Where's the?
Wow, thank you.
So this effect is super visual, super quick. It happens so quick that the spectators can't even process what's happened. It's perfect for walk around, table magic, and at the end when you fold the deck up and put it away, the spectators' minds are completely blown.
This is my wallet and my deck of playing cards. You gonna say?
I hate you. I hate you. That's insane.
It's like a new technology. They may start doing it with other stuff. Maybe I could shake, and it should be able to fold.
Oh my god, wait.
You can actually fit 52 cards.
Crazy.
So all you do is you shake, and that causes everything to go smaller. That's how. And then you can put it back inside.
So the only thing left for me is to just put my cards away. We're done. Thank you very much. Very nice meeting you. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you.
I hate you right now. Like, I don't even want to shake your hand, but I'll do it because I'm amazed, but wow.
My name's Jason Knowles, and this is Flat Pack.
Can I get one? Can I get one now? I'll take one now.